Hey guys, it's Max again. Here we are, back on the day where we get to finish up the ute. So I have learnt from last time to turn the camera sideways. Sorry about that. I know it's not going to be a great video. Just waiting on my mate Anton to arrive. We're going to cruise up to Josh's. We're going to go finish the ute. His turbo kit finally came in. His head ended up not being useful or usable for that fact. So we actually had to get a new head. It's costing him an extra $800, but it's mint. So yeah, just gonna head up to Josh's, as I said, and we'll get to work on it, yeah? Quick note to add that I am getting into this day really late, so Josh may have already done quite a lot of stuff. I was actually stuck waiting for that Mazda there to arrive for my parts for that Mazda. So yeah, see you there. Alright guys, here we are, made it all the way to Josh's house. Here's the ute, and he's pretty far into it, I won't lie, so I am sorry for missing a bunch of stuff. I don't know if he recorded anything for us though, or if he just stuck straight into it, but yeah. Alright guys, here's where he's at. The head's in. Look how shiny that new head is. It had better be for what he paid for it.
About $800.
So you did the fuel.
I've done the fuel filter. I've done the fuel governor, which is basically just changing the spring inside the fuel pump.
Just
timing belts on, tappet adjusters, fucking seals are in. Yeah, obviously.
We're just now at the point of making turbo fit. Making the big old turbo fit. Where is your turbo, by the way?
It's in the car.
Let's take a look at that.
Car's a bit of shit. I'm just gonna have to make shit work.
It's still pretty small, but I guess it is pretty flowed.
Compared to the old one, go sit it next to the old one.
Where is the old one?
One back.
I mean, then again, it is only a 4-cylinder. Yeah, it definitely makes the difference between them two. So, yeah, so that's where we're at. We're just going to go and run and grab some food now because we're both starving. And then, yeah, we'll get back into it. Rip.
Oh wait, where's the gasket?
You're gonna be flexing on people, aren't you?
There goes keeping it legal. That ain't gonna work. Oh well.
Hey guys, so I just made it home. We had to call it off for the night. I didn't get all of it done. We actually needed to make up a few extra lines, like coolant lines and oil lines for the turbo. So I'll zip back up there tomorrow just to grab the last footage, get the start up for you, and then I think it's getting its full exhaust made up on Monday, and then it's getting should be dyno tuned on Saturday. So I'll let you know what happens. I'll try and record as much as I can, but I don't know about getting any footage of the exhaust being made. I'll have to ask Josh if he can record anything, but it depends because he'll be at work. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a like, tell us why. If you didn't like it, dislike it, but tell me why. If you want to see anything else, just hit that subscribe button so I keep doing it. Thanks, bye. How are we? Back here at Josh's now to get back to everything we didn't finish yesterday. So Josh has actually got a head start, and he found some hoses to make work for the oil and the coolant line. Yeah, so I'll quickly show you those, and then we've got to still work out the intake and intercooler pipe, and then we should be pretty good to go. Josh, what'd you do with these two pipes here?
These came off a BMW motor, this came off a Cressida motor, and I made it work.
Fair enough. Not called a dodgy daily for nothing. So yeah, this is about how far we are. We just got to get this pipe from Super Cheap or wherever, and
get a nicer one.
Get a nice pipe to make this work here.
A little bit longer.
A little longer, and then obviously got to put a fat pod filter on to hear all the dose noises. So yeah, we'll get back to you with what we do. Hey guys, so we ran to the store and we were able to get something that we could make work here. Put the heat shielding on here because it actually has to run past the headers right there. It should be good up here, but yeah, we've chucked some oil in it. All we got to do is just make this intercooler piping line now, and up here going down to here. I'm not gonna lie, none of the auto stores are able to give us anything that's actually going to be helpful, so we actually are going to have to temporarily make it out of PVC piping. So it's pretty funny. Here's Josh now with his
when it's a Sunday arvo and you can't find parts, you do what you can.
His nice plumbing pipe, because we're really plumbing this turbo in. So yeah, that's how we're going. Should be putting water in soon and ready to start. So
it ain't pretty, but it works.
Yeah, here's the lovely new intake pipe.
FG intercooler piping.
It works amazingly.
Shift. I need to put water in.
There's nice pod filter. That'll work
For a couple of days. Forever.
And the good old tip some water in and hope it doesn't blow up technique now.
Should have brought your bucket.
It's not even my car and I'm nervous.
What have we done?
No, what have you done?
Josie!
Alright guys, so it looks like we actually have everything bolted down ready. I think it's about time we give it a try to start it. We've got to prime the system first. Being a diesel, we're going to have to bleed the rail. as well, but for now we're just going to prime the system. And Josh, how are your nerves on hitting that key?
I don't know. I mean, it's got a big turbo now, so it's sort of... yeah. Build up some oil pressure and see how we go.
Yeah, alright. Alright.
Well, that sounds good.
That should be good.
Yeah.
We'll check all the fluids, bleed them rails and see what we can do. Alright. Hey guys, so I just got home, thought I'd quickly film the outro for this video. At the end of the day, we weren't actually able to get it to idle properly. There's something wrong with the fuel governor, and at least that's what Josh thinks. Look, he's going to tinker with it until it gets to the point where we can put the exhaust on it, and get the tune done. Yeah, so if you enjoyed today's video, give it a like. If you didn't, dislike it, tell me why. I do realise that I didn't film a whole lot today. We were just getting really fed up with the car, and I just put the camera down and got to work, get us where we needed to be with it. But it is what it is, so I do apologise for that. So I'll make sure next time that I'm filming more, I'm definitely going to set up a camera so that we can just record all the work we do. If you like that, fast forwards through it and all that stuff. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and have a good one. Bye.